Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Starting with the greatest name of Allah, who's Rahman and Rahim, who's the King of the Kings. Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you, students? I hope you are fine. Okay, students. Today we are going to read about more about grammar. Okay, previous time we learnt about nouns and kinds of nouns. Okay, today we are going to read about the second parts of speech, pronoun. As you know, what is the noun? Noun is the name of person, place, or thing. And what is pronoun? Pronoun mean. Okay, now what is the pronoun? Pronoun mean. Okay, first of all, I want to explain it. Okay, pronoun replace the name of person, place, things, or idea. Okay, or you can say a word that is used in place of noun is called pronoun. For example, with examples I am going to explain it. Now listen, look at the example. Aisha is my younger sister. Aisha reads in class 6. Aisha is very intelligent student. Now see, in this sentence again and again name is repeating, which doesn't look good or which doesn't sounds good. Now second sentence, Aisha is my younger sister. She reads in class 6. She is very intelligent. She is very intelligent. Now see, in first part or in first sentences we use the name again and again, that sounds doesn't sounds good. Now in the second sentence we have replaced the name with she, with pronoun. Now she is pronoun. Here is the she is pronoun. Okay, wait. Yes, here is the she. Now you can see she is the pronoun, and pronoun is what? It replaces the noun. Where what is the noun? Noun is here. Here noun is Aisha, and Aisha replaced with she. Then she is pronoun. Very good. A word that is used in the place of noun is called pronoun. Now here we have used the name at the name of places. We have used the pronoun, and pronoun is she. Okay, you can see what are the pronouns. Pronouns are just like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These all are pronouns. These all words we use at the place of noun names. Okay, at the place of names. Just like in the previous I told you, and the place of Aisha we have used the she. Okay, for girl we use she, and boy for we use he, you, I, they mean plural. In the picture you can see it is clear, okay, with the picture. Okay, now we will read about the more pronouns. Okay, kinds of pronouns. There are kinds of pronouns are there. Personal pronouns are there, possessive pronouns are there, reflexive pronouns are there, interrogative pronouns are there, demonstrative pronouns are there, but we will read about most just first three pronouns, okay, in the detail. Just like personal pronouns. What are the personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are a pronoun that is used for a person speaking, mean the person who is speaking, okay, जो बोल रहा है वो, that is personal pronoun. Just like I is personal pronoun. Okay, see, I is a personal pronoun. Now, okay, look at this picture. Here are the, now see, personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, we, they. These are personal pronouns. When we use it in them in the beginning of sentence, that is I, you, he, she, we, they. These are personal pronouns. Okay, personal pronouns we use, I told you, as a pronoun that is used for the person is speaking, that is personal pronouns. Okay, now next is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. What are the possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns are used to indicate who owns the object or idea. Owns mean, what is the own mean ownership. Okay, when you have the ownership of anything, when you have something, that is possessive pronoun. Those are called possessive pronoun. Okay, now what are the examples of possessive pronouns? You can see the possessive pronouns, examples of possessive pronouns. Yes, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. These are called possessive pronouns. These shows about the, yes, this is the show the indicate who owns the objects or ideas. These are called the possessive pronouns. Okay, more examples of possessive pronouns you can see here. Okay, these are the possessive pronouns. My, mine, ours, yours, his, her, hers, its, theirs. Okay, one common mistake, students, I want to tell you about here. The one common mistake, some students use the comma or apostrophe before s. That is very totally wrong. Okay, we don't use in possessive pronouns contractions or apostrophe, okay, with them. We have to write it, just use them in the same way, just like my, mine, in the here in the in front of there is the written form. Okay, see, more examples are there of possessive pronouns. This house is ours. This house is ours mean this is our house. Okay, this house is yours, your house. Okay, are, yours, hers, its, theirs. Okay, are, yours, hers, its, theirs. Now see, examples are there. This house is hers. It is the ownership to a girl. Okay, this house is theirs. Okay, now again I have told you in the previous time. Now see, no apostrophe. Look at this. These are here the r's. With r's, mostly people use apostrophe before s or comma. This is totally wrong. Okay, don't use with apostrophe or comma with possessive pronouns. I hope it is clear to you, possessive pronouns. Okay, now the next is reflexive pronoun. What is the reflexive? Reflexive, mostly I commonly tell you reflex mean reflection. Okay, reflection se nikla, just like reflection. What is reflection mean? Whatever, when you see in the mirror, in the see, what you see yourself. Okay, yes, reflexive pronoun. Our reflexive pronouns are used to refer to the personal pronouns. Refer to the personal pronouns, or you can say there is the identification of reflexive pronouns are made by adding the self or selves to other personal pronouns. It's called reflexive pronouns, as my. Okay, my, myself, ours, ourselves, yourselves. Now see, you can see. Okay, reflexive pronoun. Now see, here are the reflexive pronouns. Myself, yourself. Now see, personal pronoun is your. When you add self is become the reflexive pronoun. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourself, and themselves. Now reflexive pronouns, we will learn about more reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns, we use a pronoun formed by adding self or selves to other personal pronouns is called reflexive pronouns. Or reflexive pronouns are used to refer the personal pronouns. We did the work ourselves. Now we will see more examples. If okay, we will see the more examples of reflexive pronouns. These are the reflexive pronouns. Yes, here are the some more examples of reflexive pronouns. See, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Okay, when plurals are there, then we use selves, selves. I told you we learned it in singular plurals how we make the singular plural with plural. Okay, now see, we are going to paint the house by ourselves. It's mean we are going to do ourselves, we will do it with ourselves. Students who cheat in exams cheat themselves. My sisters themselves don't recognize me now after a long this year. Jordan bought himself a present for his birthday. Mean Jordan bought a present for himself. Okay, these are the reflexive pronouns. Okay, we have learned about the, okay, quickly we are going to do the recap. Okay, what is the pronoun? Pronoun is a word which we use in the place of noun. A word that is used in the place of noun is called pronoun. And how many kinds? There are five kinds are there, and but we have learned first three kinds: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. Okay, we are just going to the recap. Okay, now see, personal pronouns are used for people. They are looking for you. This is the example of personal pronoun. Possessive pronouns are used to indicate who owns the object or idea. Reflexive pronouns are used to refer to the personal pronouns. We did the work ourselves. Okay, I hope students you have understood this pronouns. Okay, I will provide you some exercises. Solve these exercises and do it on your neat notebooks, then it will be more easy for you to understand the personal pronouns. Thank you.